Blessed God. Yeah, you hear the word call it. You have to give thanks to all the people who make it possible. You understand me? Big up all of the guests in the place. You see everyone in us have a guest. I now can call everyone name. But you see who don't hear them name just know so right now. I just love seeing you. See? Yeah, big up man like Borbanton. See, original veteran. Them man has started. Babylon is on them man they go from here sing Babylon release the change. Babylon release the change. See? Yeah. I'm big up the One World family, because without the One World family, this is going to possible. It's not me alone make this happen. It's the whole of make it happen. Shooting star, 1 million you see now 1 quarter. They were like some poor people, yes about poor people, yeah. You see cash man and pray, and then make the money spray. They make a million a day, they make a extra money in a day. I don't know the money turn up. I don't want to listen. Can you not do it? When you want to tell yourself, can you not do it? Now some good children. Man. What do I hear? Some original foundation. What do you hear? Some original somebody. Yo. Fight it. Yeah. Yes, sir. You could have gone for the Yima Eye of a franchise. All fruits right, shake the picture. Why are you wanting to get a one Christian? Why are you wanting to Christian? I say, where are you? No man no run from no man, no man, no man. No man no run from no man. Why are you wanting? I'm about to Babylon. So you know what? If I want you to know what I'm doing, we never go with your money. And I said, oh, they never go with me. You know what? Try to hold me, stand so we stand so we go. We never go with your kind. So if I come with you, we never time. We never step out of line. Man, I'm not cheating on the game, okay? Step out on the street, and then they can't test it. As of my one, and then they're not impressed. So I see I impress. From me and you just come for right business. So you do the shit and do the run. Stand up and make it and pray and strong. Don't believe I wonder how you hold it so long. Just listen to the words on the side. We never focus on money. Now so you never do that for me. You never try. What do I say? What's it answer? I want that skyscraper. What's it? Are we started? Yes, and I've been more artists. We started. First international artist. In the 1981, we were first #1. That means we were going to be for the man. Them time they are with Sugar Man and Decotta. Joseph in a Puro Mata, never lockdown session. 85 we get me grabbing a million. Before Shabba ranking, for Yellow Man. After that one, the God lock the nation. Here locally and every police station. Thinking each one, I guess it was #1. I think keep it growing, I keep it time. Just take time there, put your hand on. Now we started from Mission One. We started. How you been? I don't really know. Run. One more. So right now, I will chant on the walls of Jericho for the instrument of 10 string. And you know what is the instrument of 10 string? The human temple. And the only instrument of 10 string of the human. 5 for the one and 5 for the next one. So it's going to beat them things together and the Pope in a room feeling. Only man ever like King Selassie. Rastafari. Come on. Messing up the earth. And tell me say one of these strike. Politician them a stand in front. Give me them guns and ties. Do you ever make a circle? Tell you read my heart jungle before. Not to mention poor. I said the humans gonna more. Now what? Right here, sir. Make a flex in America. Send a message to the priests and the bloods. Yeah. East and the west side. They also live in love. Do you ever make a circle? Tell me Brooklyn or Breaks before. Not to mention all